Hello, thank you very much for watching another PSKH video. We are playing Spyfall. Spyfall with 6 players, 2 of which are new. Papakilala ko sa inyo in a while. But for now, here are the other players. We have JD. We have Ice Princess. She's back. Although medyo nagdalag yata yung title. Ayan, Ice Princess is here. Noob Ambassador is back, of course. And Kill Uncle is here. Sorry about that, guys. And we have new players on board. We have M. Damien. And we have Low IQ Kobe. There they are. Okay, so dalawa kami ngayon ng Spyfall. Simple lang to. You guys have seen a lot of Spyfall videos. Alam na naman to ni M. Damien and Low IQ Kobe. Good. They actually, apparently they played Spyfall before. First things first, here's the list. Yes, it is the same list. It's a combination of locations from the first game and the expansion pack. We just selected these 30 locations. I have randomly selected one, gave it to 5 of these people. One, sinabi ko lang, you are the spy, try not to get caught. All right, so we are going to start the game. Let's just do it numerically. Since JD arrived first, it's going to be a 5-minute game. A reminder pala for everyone, okay? Bawal tanongin yung person na nagtanong sa'yo. It has to be someone else. Bawal magbalik ng question. And if 6-anim kayo, if 4 of you guys already want to vote early, send me a private message. Sabihin mo lang, I'm ready to vote. I don't have to know who it is. Sabihin mo lang, I'm ready to vote. If 4 of you guys say you want to vote, I'm going to stop the time. We're going to vote right away. At the same time, if you're the spy and you already know the location kasi feeling mo vote ka, interrupt the conversation. Sabihin mo lang, okay, stop. I'm the spy. I'm going to guess now. If you're right, you win. If not, then, well, good luck next game. So, 5-minute game lang to, guys. We're going to start with JD. Good luck, guys. JD, go.
Okay, Kill Uncle.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Malaki ba yung ginagastos na pera ng mga tao dito?
Kung ako pupunta dito, kuripot ako eh. So, siguro yung sa iba, malaki. But if you ask me, for myself, as princess.
Yeah. Am I here?
Yep, we can see you. Go ahead.
Sa lugar na to, marami bang mga tita?
Pwede.
Pwede.
Pastime nila to eh. Sure.
Nako!
Low IQ Kobe.
Yes.
Kapunta ka na ba sa lugar na to?
If I did, I probably don't remember na. So I guess hindi. Okay. Mr. Noob Ambassador.
You can call me any for short.
No, sadly, no.
Kanya po ko eh. Bakit
Then
ba
I flash your
nakikialam?
full name right now. I flash your full name right now sa video anyway.
In this place, for example, it's in the beginning ng Omicron surge. How, in your estimate, how likely would it be to contract COVID in this area? Hindi pala yes or no pala. Is it would you contract COVID in a 50% chance?
50%. No, because I think it's 100. I mean, if it's open or something, yeah. M. Damien.
Yes.
Are there a lot of religious people who go here?
Feeling ko possible, but I highly doubt it.
What?
Ice Princess.
Yeah.
How loud is it where we are right now?
How what?
How loud?
Loud. Gano'ng kaingay?
Not that much. JD. Pwede ba mga minors dito?
Hindi eh. Okay, NA. Kung ito ay magiging main setting sa isang movie, tong location na to, ano yung genre na pumapasok sa isip mo?
Hindi ako na masabi yung title. Sige. Baka espionage genre tayo.
Wow! Kill Uncle, hi.
Wala na ni Kill Uncle sa mo.
Ice Princess.
Hindi ako yung spy!
Wala akong pake. Gusto ko tatanungin. Ice Princess. Ano yung kulay na nakikita mo dito? Like yung pinaka-abundant na kulay. Is it green, red, or...
Sinagot, hindi. May choices pala.
Go lang.
Uncle,
isa naman sa choices.
Ililibre mo ba ako dito, Kill Uncle?
Ha?
90 seconds, guys.
Ililibre mo ako?
What?
Ililibre mo ako dito?
Deliver kita, iwan pa kita dito. M. Damien,
Yes.
in this place, are you
1 minute.
high in the sky or lying down on the ground?
Sorry, am I what? High in the sky?
You were in this place, would you be high in the sky or lying down on the ground?
Huh. Parang ang daming nung question na yon. Ang daming pwedeng meaning. I guess more in the ground.
Really? Interesting. Okay.
Low IQ Kobe.
20 seconds.
If you were to bring someone, who would you bring here?
I would bring
10 seconds.
I would bring sino ba? I would
Sige,
bring
last na yan.
Okay,
Yeah, let's go.
who's the main character of Crazy Rich Asians? I forgot. Yung nanay, the rich woman.
Yung nanay ba?
Si Michelle Yeoh.
Yan, si Michelle Yeoh, hindi yung character name.
Okay. We're good. I'm gonna turn on my video now. Okay, so it's been more than 5 minutes. Actually, pinatapos na lang yung last answer niya. So I only got one message from one person who wanted to vote early. So we're gonna go to the votes now. Basically, we're looking for the spy, the person who does not know who the location is. You guys have numbers, di ba? I'm gonna count you guys down from 3, and using your fingers, vote who you think is the spy. Okay, counting down 3, 2, 1, vote. Hold it up, please. Hold it up. I see 2, I see 5, I see 6. Okay. 2, tsaka 6. So,
Bakit
sige.
ako?
Kill Uncle.
Ay.
Sige, hands down. Kill Uncle
Tahimik
and
kasi.
Ice Princess both got 2 votes. They both have the majority votes.
Yes.
Ice Princess, her reactions are genuine. Ice Princess is not the spy. Kill Uncle is also not the spy. The spy, guys, is
Hindi ako.
low IQ.
Ayun!
Is it? Wait, can I ask ano ba?
Wait lang.
Okay.
Wait
okay.
lang. Just so
Hi,
kasi
Joyce!
FYI, I broke the mold kasi. Normally, kapag newbie, hindi ko ginagawang spy at all. Pero given that you guys have played it before, I made it a very fair random selection. So, low IQ Kobe, first things first, you won. Congratulations. Pero for the fun of it, what do you think is the location?
Is it a casino?
Yes, it is a casino. Good job. What gave it away for you?
Kasalanan mo to, NA.
Sino nagsasabing tahimik sa casino?
Low IQ
Sabi
Kobe.
ko,
I think it was
sabi ko
the
medyo tahimik.
The what?
I think it was the answer espionage. So it was like either bank
spy
or
James Bond.
casino and like
That's too obvious yan eh.
Yung may
And
sabihin mo,
Alam
di
ko
ba,
isang
sa
sagot
casino,
mo,
yung
action
dapat sabihin mo or something?
Yeah, yun yung
Action
una
or
sa
drama.
isip ko.
Comedy,
Casino
horror.
na yan.
Hindi. Hindi, sisimulanin ka agad eh. Gastos ka agad tanong, tapos green, like for the
Yeah.
money, I think.
Yes.
I think yung religion
that's
part, people praying to win or something like that.
Yes.
Right?
Kaya I
Sorry.
wanted to try to curve it around.
Okay. Good job. Nalito
Yeah,
din
good
ako
job,
sa tanong
good
ni
job.
Uncle about high or low eh. So naisip ko, shit, baka mababote siguro si Kill Uncle dito. And
Well, no,
true enough,
well,
we got 2 votes.
because the earlier questions were too misleading na, so totally random.
Truly misleading na. Well, Numa Master was the only person who sent me a message na he wanted to vote early. Pero he voted for a different person anyway. So again, good job, Loaki. No one voted for you. Good, congratulations.
And Damien did.
Oh, Damien, did
I
you?
did.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Pero good job, good job.
This
It
one.
wasn't enough. Sayang, 1 vote lang pala, but you would have caught the spy. Sige, let me wrap this game up muna, guys. That was Spyfall. The newbie won, the spy won. Congratulations, Loaki Kobe. Guys, if you like this video, click on the like button, hit subscribe, hindi pa ka-subscribe, and the notification button para update ko every time we upload these types of games. And if you like to join our game, send us a message. Like Loaki Kobe and Damien will definitely invite you to join next time. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.